Good evening.
Evening.
Thought we would take a little walk out tonight on this Easter Sunday, just along the quayside, along the side of the River Tyne. I want to catch the bridges all lit up and the quayside all lit up. Show you what that looks like at night time, because it absolutely looks fantastic, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
It's a bit nippy tonight. What we're going to do first off, whilst we wait for the sun to go down, is go and find a drink somewhere.
There's a little bar up here, it's a bit quieter than the ones down by the quayside. Yeah.
Yeah, because they're rammed at the moment, aren't they?
Because it's bank holiday, isn't it? Everyone's come for, like, you can see the bridges from here though.
Yeah.
Look at that. We try and get them when the sun goes down.
Yeah.
And this one lights up.
It's got the Millennium Bridge as the first bridge you can see. And then you've got the infamous Tyne Bridge, which the renovation works are going to start on the 2nd of April. And you've got some railway bridges beyond that, the Swing Bridge, the Baltic Flour Mill over there, contemporary arts, and the Sage, that glass building over there to the left. We'll show you those a little bit later, but for now we're going to try and find somewhere to have a drink whilst we wait for the sun to start to set.
Yeah. Let's have a little bit quieter.
This is not really a part of Newcastle that people come to, is it?
No, we've not ever been up this way.
No, they come into town and visit all the bars and stuff as you would. Look at that piece of artwork there.
Wow.
Just think this would have been, go straight down, heavily industrialised at once with all the shipbuilding on the Tyne.
I think we have to go that way, over the bridge.
Do we?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's go.
I think that's a dead end. Is that a dead end there?
I'll spin you around just so you can have a quick look at what this end of town looks like. Might not look much, but there's a lot of history down here. A lot of history. I'll just pop over and I think that looks the Tyne Bar. There we go.
Oh yeah, there we go.
That's where we're going to pop into for now.
Oh, it's so cold. My eyes are watering again.
Yeah. So here is it's where the Victoria tunnels come out down here, and the Victoria tunnels are old coal tunnels that run from the town moor, and they used to bring the coal right under the city and out onto the Tyne and onto the ships.
There is so much history here, isn't there?
Yeah, the Victoria tunnels were only open for a few years and then they closed down, and then during World War II, it's a bit cold, man. I can't speak properly. World War II, they were used for shelter during air raids, but you can get a tour in the Victoria tunnels if you want, which starts down this end of town somewhere.
Well, maybe you could do that one day.
Maybe one day.
I don't do tunnels.
Yeah. No. Oh look, there's a toffee factory there.
Look at this thing.
Yeah. It's,
we want a quiet beer, but it doesn't sound very quiet.
Probably be a bit quieter than
This must
down
be
that way.
I don't
Going
know.
straight over?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, look at this. I need to get some photos.
Let's have a look around here. I'll show you around here. The Tyne Bar. So we're going to pop in and have a drink.
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep, come on then.
Let's go. So we found ourselves a beer
It's nice too.
in the Tyne Bar there, which sits just under the Glasshouse Bridge. And it's a nice independent pub. Got loads of different ales in there, haven't they? You had Blue Moon though.
I like Blue Moon.
Yeah, and I had the Almasty, which
It was
really
nice.
It was nice,
It was really
actually.
nice.
Yeah.
I thought it was
yeah,
very citrusy.
yeah. So that's the Tyne Bar behind us. As I say, it sits under the Glasshouse Bridge, right next to the River Ouse, which flows into the River Tyne.
Ah, never knew that.
No, I didn't either.
No.
It's one of those places, isn't it, where you tend not to venture, but it was a proper pub and a proper Geordie pub. well worth a visit.
Very friendly.
Yeah.
Very
And
nice.
what was that? If you spend
£7,
£7,
is it on a Thursday?
I think, or Tuesday, I think it was.
Tuesday, you get free food.
You get free food. Well, you get food included with your £7.
Yeah. Oh, that's smelly there.
Isn't
Don't
it?
know what that was. Sorry.
I think the sun's just starting to go down
Oh,
now
look
as
at
well,
this.
isn't it? So
Get some nice
hopefully
photos.
we'll get some decent shots of the bridges all lit up on the quayside.
Yeah.
Pretty stunning place, isn't it? Really.
Yeah.
It's impressive with all the bridges. And that boat there, I can't point on the
Used to
camera.
be the party boat.
It used to be the party boat, didn't it?
Yeah.
Used to sail along the Tyne.
It was
Some
good.
live music on it. Used to go out to the mouth of the River Tyne, didn't it?
It was
Turn
good
around and
fun.
come back. It was good fun.
Really good fun.
Yeah, we saw the Sour Mash Trio on there.
Kentucky cow tippers were on it as well.
Were they?
Yeah, they were.
Did we see them on there?
Yeah, we saw them on it as well.
And then you got the Sage, which we'll show you.
But you've
Shortly.
got the Baltic flour mills.
Yeah, that's
Isn't that
contemporary arts now, isn't it?
Yeah.
But then you got the Sage, which is that
Oh,
glass building to the left behind the Baltic flour mills. We've seen a few bands in there, haven't we? Including.
have.
Did we see Kip Moore in there?
Kitmore.
Did we
Yeah,
see- no, we
with-
didn't see Kip Moore in there. But we saw that we had the country music in there. It wasn't Kip Moore. But that's all made of glass. Can you imagine the window cleaning bill for that?
Yeah.
That's the boat I was talking about. It was once the party boat. It is?
It's not that one.
It is.
It's not.
Well, it's one that's very much like it. I'm sure it is because you used to come down the blue walkway and onto it. It was. And if you're a Geordie lass, this is sunbathing weather. So you can get yourself on one of them sunbathers. Or you could even buy yourself a nice expensive quayside apartment. This impressive piece of artwork here is called the Blacksmith's Needle. And I've said before on our videos that I'm quite disappointed at the lack of information on some of these pieces of art and history. But look at, there's some right detail in there. Look at the snail. And the octopus.
Give me some mum.
And the lighthouse. And one of my favourite drinks. Rum.
So
look at
cool.
See the man up there as well. And the music notes.
You could have bought me flowers.
Could have brought you flowers. Very good.
So, look, even the little toolbox.
Yeah.
Wherever you look, there's something different.
There is, isn't there?
Isn't there? Yeah.
Gleams through the trees, the red light of the forge.
It's awesome. Really nice.
Really waiting for these bridges to light up. Really waiting for these bridges to light up. We're getting there, slowly,
Yep.
slowly.
Well, so on that one you've had a few.
Absolutely not.
Oh!
Can you get out of that one?
Just.
This is quite bizarre, actually. We've just
And Aberdeen.
saw another person vlogging and got talking to him, and he's actually called Lawrence. And guess where Lawrence is from? Lawrence is from Rotterdam. And who lives in Rotterdam? Paige and Yordi.
Yeah.
And look what else we've just bloody well found.
It's a sign,
It's
Tommy.
a sign. Rotterdam.
Mad.
I don't think there's anything on this either. What this is in terms of history.
No.
Obviously, those that don't know who Paige and Yordi are, Paige is our youngest daughter, and Yordi's her fiancé.
Fiancé, that's awfully posh. He's a duchy.
He's a duchy. So we're starting to get back into the lively part of Newcastle now. So this is one of the lively bars down here on the quayside. This is the Picture and Piano. I think people have been in there pretty much all afternoon because the place is lively.
Right.
And this is one of the first bridges here on the Tyne.
It actually
the Millennium
opens,
Bridge.
isn't it?
Yeah, it actually lifts up.
Yeah.
A bit like an eyelid, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can't really see the lights on it at the moment, but hopefully we'll see those a little bit later. And you've got a better view of the Sage in the background there. Big massive concert hall.
There's a Baltic.
And again the Baltic flour mills.
Okay.
Yeah. Starting to light up a bit now, look. And see where we've just walked from. Who's Ben? Down there along the quayside. Picture and Piano there. Currently stood on the Millennium Bridge. Got the law courts there. There's the infamous Tyne Bridge. And you've got the swing bridge, which is the red bridge. And then you've got, I think that's the King Edward I bridge is the next one after that. And I'm not too sure what the blue one's called, to be honest. And then you've got the Royal Navy and Royal Marine Reserve there, HMS Calliope. And that's where they start the, well, they have the pasta party over there actually, for the Great North Run, don't they?
Yeah. Right, let's...
And then a closer look at the Baltic flour mill.
Castle. There used to be deck chairs here.
Yeah, they did, didn't they? And sand pits and things, but obviously it's a nice outdoor bar now.
Yeah. With fire pits.
And there's the law courts at the back there. Still waiting for it to get a bit darker, so we can get that Millennium Bridge. There's another bar across the river there.
Yeah. These trees are all lit up.
Yes, I'm with Disney Monkey.
It's a nice end of town, this. Really nice end of town. Could almost fall off there, couldn't it, that train? Yeah, it looks like there's some live music going on over there, doesn't it? That's by the Tyne Brewing Company. We're just approaching, we're just coming up to the Tyne Bridge. The problem with the Tyne Bridge is all the birds nest underneath it.
It's kittiwakes.
The kittiwakes and the seagulls. Come on, Hard Rock. You can do better than that.
Not even got a guitar.
For a place like Newcastle.
Yeah.
And that's your effort.
It's a beautiful building.
Yeah.
Yet no guitar. Sad.
Been in there once, never again. Not that one anyway.
No.
Sorry, Hard Rock, but that is a poor effort. Next bridge we're at now is the Swing Bridge. Obviously it gets its name because it swings open, or used to swing open, to allow the ships and boats through. It's my mistake, this is not the King Edward I bridge, it's actually called the High Level Bridge. It's on the very top is where the trains pass across, and then underneath that is the road bridge where the vehicles cross. And then here is what used to be the fish market.
Wow. There's a
Starting to look nice now, look, all the lights are starting to come on the bridges. Even on the high level bridge there, look. Not sure about you guys, but I think it's pretty cold to be canoeing on the Tyne tonight, but look how them boats are lit up.
That is so cool.
That is fantastic, isn't it?
Yeah.
Absolutely fantastic.
Hi.
Oh, here we are.
Oh.
Finally. It's got dark enough. I'm really not sure how or if you're going to pick these up. If the camera's going to pick these up.
It's cold. I know that.
It is cold, isn't it?
Yeah.
Tonight. But there you go, all the bridges are now lit up. Well, it looks awesome, doesn't it?
It does look nice.
Really nice.
Get some photos.
There's a little piece of island over there, look, the Dubliner here in Newcastle. And they're queuing to get in just as they were on the night we went out
Yeah.
for St Patrick's weekend. Right, that's it. That brings our Newcastle evening walk to an end.
Yeah.
So if you're ever in Newcastle, don't bypass the quayside. Come down, have a look, especially at night time. It's really nice, isn't it?
It is nice.
Really nice.
Yeah.
It's the first time we've done it, and I'm glad we've done it. So, time to head home and warm up.
I know.